All right, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to build an email list for completely free using a free traffic method. This method will grow your email list super fast depending if you do this correctly. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a free course that you guys can use to learn how to start making money with affiliate marketing. I'll leave the link in the description, and I'll also leave the course to teach you exactly how you can grow your email list and affiliate marketing business using TikTok. I'll leave that training in the description as well. So to get started today, obviously the main traffic source is going to be TikTok. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I use this TikTok method to grow my email list to over 600 subscribers in less than 3 months. I want to say about, honestly, I grew it in about a month and a half. And I grew my TikTok account to almost 18,000 followers within the same time period. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my TikTok account that I'm using. My niche that I picked was keto. So let's go over to my TikTok account so I can show you my stats. I have followers coming in every single day, every single minute. As you can see, this is my live TikTok account. And let's go to view profile. As you can see, I have over 18,000 followers, and a lot of my content is pretty much doing well. As you can see, 51,000 views, and I post different content. And the crazy part is you don't have to make any of this content as long as you're giving the rightful owner who made the content credit. There's no problem using their content as long as you give them credit. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get that content and to post it on your profile. If you guys want to see a video for that, just hit the like and subscribe button and comment below. Let me know. I'll make a full tutorial of how I get my content for my page if you guys don't want to make your own content. But let's go back into my analytics. As you can see, in the past 7 days, I got over 100,000 views. In total, I have 18,000 followers and 4,000 profile views. So the last 28 days, over 400,000 views. That's over 12,000 profile views. So I'm getting a lot of traffic to my page. Just go to my content. Trending videos. Look at my trending videos. 20,000 views or 100,000 views, 50,000 views, 100,000 views. And this is consistently bringing me traffic to my link and bringing it to my landing page so I can get my leads. My followers are steady growing. I have over 2,000 followers within this past week alone. So what I'm telling you guys, that this method works. This method works. As long as you're posting the right content and you staying consistent, you'll have steady traffic going to your link, and your email list will build for you without doing really any work. I set this account up. Right now I post about once every couple days, and I'm still getting, as you can see, I'm still getting constant followers. I'm still getting constant traffic to my profile. So let's go back to my profile. I'll show you guys my landing page. It's a simple landing page that I use, that I created using Aweber. If you guys want a link to Aweber to join, you can click the link in the description. I'll leave that behind for you guys. It's completely free to join. That's exactly why I joined. So this whole method is completely free. I didn't pay for traffic. I didn't pay for a TikTok account. I paid for followers or views. I built this up from scratch. And I started this account back in November. Not even November, December. So from December to now, it is January 11th, 2021. I've gained over 18,000 followers. So let's go back to my profile. If you go back to my profile, this is my bit.ly link, Keto Diet Lovers. If you click it, it takes you to my landing page where I say get free recipes. So if you're looking for delicious recipes that'll help you lose weight in a very short amount of time, the ketogenic diet is the perfect diet for you. So anybody who's interested in getting this free giveaway, they enter their name and their email. And guys, you definitely want to have a landing page so you can collect your leads. And as you can see, it's a simple landing page. I created this using Aweber. I didn't change anything but the text. I didn't change the color, the background, the button, anything. All I changed was the text. So when people come to my profile and they're seeing my videos, and they see my content and they see oh, you're posting keto diet food, and they see in my bio, get free recipes. Now they're gonna go on my bio. It's like, well, I saw a video on his profile. Maybe he has the recipes, or maybe I could get the recipe for the certain video in this free recipe book. So they enter their name and information. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna go to Bitly so you can see how many link clicks I'm actually getting using this method. So if we go to Bitly, let me go to, where is it? Right here, custom keto diet landing page. This is the same landing page that I just showed you guys. And as you can see, it's getting over 5,000 clicks. 5,000 clicks. I'm getting consistent traffic, consistent clicks every day. Every day I'm getting consistent clicks to my landing page, to this landing page, getting free traffic. With those clicks, everybody's entering an email. I'm building my email list every day. So what all I have to do from here is set up my autoresponder in Aweber and send out related content related to keto, send out related offer, and send it to my email list. And so it can convert. Right now I'm converting ClickBank offer on a back end. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my Aweber so you guys can see that I'm actually getting leads. As you can see, I have 683 leads. Let's go to my complete subscriber list. But let me not put their information out. But as you can see, 683 leads. $441 subscribed, 670 total, all from using this TikTok method that got me over 5,000 clicks. Out of that 5,000 clicks, I paid $0. I paid $0 for those leads. I didn't pay for solo ads. I didn't pay for Facebook ads. I didn't pay for Instagram or Google or anything like that. I used complete free TikTok method that I learned. And guys, if you want to learn this method, click the link in the description. I'm going to leave a training that costs only $1 to learn this complete method. And there's other entrepreneurs out there using this same exact method that I'm using for TikTok, and they're gaining $20,000, $30,000 within their first 3 months, 6 months using this method. Some even sooner. As you can see, it builds up fast. The more content you post, the better traffic you get. The more traffic you get, the more clicks you get. The more clicks, the more leads you get. Like I said, I only post right now maybe once or twice every couple of days. That's why my subscribers slowly come in. I get maybe one today, and then the next day I probably get like 10 or 20. It all depends on how much you post. So if you stay consistent and you use the method used in the course, you can grow your email list for completely free and fast. And the crazy part is you really don't need no experience. The course teaches you everything you need to know to grow your email list using TikTok. This is an untapped method. Not a lot of affiliate marketers are using TikTok in the correct way. But if you use it this way to grow your email list, you'll definitely make money. I made money on my ClickBank account. I can actually go to my ClickBank account and show you that I had a sale come in. So let's go to ClickBank. Let me log in. All right. Now that I'm on my ClickBank account, you guys can see that I'm actually getting clicks to my ClickBank offers, and I'm actually converting. I made some money. I can show you guys a little more. Let's go over to paychecks. As you can see, I got about $76, $63 sitting in here. So I'm actually making money with using this method. So if you guys click the link in the description to get this 15-second free leads course, I will show you guys a free training on affiliate marketing if you guys want to learn a little bit more. So in the description, I'm going to leave everything you need to do this method, from the course to teach you the exact method that I use to grow my TikTok account and to get free leads, I'm going to show you a free link to Aweber so you can create a landing page. You really need no experience. You don't have to know how to design a website or anything like that. It is all drag and drop templates. So you can join Aweber for free. And you guys get started with this method as soon as possible. It's 2021. A lot of people working from home are looking for more opportunities. A lot of people are getting to affiliate marketing. So you don't want people hopping on this TikTok method to take over all the leads. Get out there, get the course, apply the course, stay consistent, and make sure you grow your email list. An email list is the most important asset in affiliate marketing, because once you have an email list, pretty much a golden. All you want to do is keep growing it, because all you have to do is take your offer, send it out through an autoresponder. But in the course, it's going to show you the exact method to set up your TikTok account, how to post, where to get posts, and how to basically monetize this whole method so you can make sure you're making money. Like I said, it only costs $1 to join the course, and it's basically completely free to get your leads. You're not paying for anything. If you guys want to learn more, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment below. This is Dre Black Digital, and I'm out.